Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to measure with liquid ingredients. It's a little bit different than dry, so I'll show you the measuring cup for liquid for larger portions. So if you're using just water, you don't need a super fast stream. And what I do is turn the cup part away from me so that I can see it while it's filling. Okay, so and the same thing would go with milk or whatever else you were doing. When you think you've got it, then you set it down on your counter, and then you kind of eyeball it. So you look straight, and then you can really see whether or not you've measured it right. Okay, and then you dump it in. If you did it wrong, then you just dump a little out, add again, and keep going until you get it. So the cup isn't quite as tricky. You don't want to use a dry measuring cup, because when you fill those up, it's a lot easier to spill some of your ingredients out on your way to the bowl. So that's why we use the liquid ones, and we have a spout to pour them. Now the spoons are a little bit trickier. You definitely don't want a fast stream if you're trying to measure out water, because all that happens is this, a big mess. You get a nice slow stream, even slower, so you can catch it, and then you bring your bowl to the spoon, so you don't lose any on the way. Now if you're not doing water, you're doing, say, something like vanilla, you want to put a measuring cup underneath. Don't do it straight over your batter bowl, because if you make a big mess, if you're going along and then, oops, somebody bumps you, then you go over, you've got extra in your batter that you didn't want, okay? So when you are measuring it out, you want to go nice and slow. It's not like that. You want to go nice and slow, okay? And then you would pour it in. I would bring the bowl close, pour it in. Now look, I've got a bunch of extra that I didn't waste down the sink, and I didn't waste in my bowl that I can just pour back. All right, so that's how we work with liquid measuring ingredients.